to get in the middle, the Ange. In the middle, not the end.
It's
That's the one.
Oh, it's chicken.
Kiev.
Chicken Kiev, you know.
Ref, you want?
Nah.
What?
I'm alright, man.
Like that one, yeah?
Similar to that, yeah?
Yeah, I think so. Can
You don't have to eat it all, Ange.
Yeah, there's... No, just lunch, yeah?
Oh, alright, fair enough. 5, yeah? You give it a 5?
5.
That's alright.
5.
You're not used to quality food though, are you?
No, 5. Come on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna support you in Ukrainian.
Next round, yeah?
From the top and then we go down.
What is this, Angel?
Is this what you're saying, Yam, or is this like a cheap version?
I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like our salad for New Year. Yeah, you know. We have like a
Nice.
lot of.
Oh, Ange's not happy with that, mate. He's not happy.
Ref.
Go on, I'll have one, yeah.
Oh man, that's good.
I want to just try, but...
A little bit more.
Can I throw it, yeah?
What are you giving it, Yam? Out of 5, mate. That's
Uh,
alright, isn't it? Standard Italian starter, isn't
yeah,
it?
it's 5.
Yeah?
Yeah, I really liked it.
Honest. Is that cheese, Yam? No.
No, it's candy.
Oh, candy?
Yeah.
Sweet. That's dry, innit? You need a
No,
cup
it's
of tea
good.
to
You
do that,
don't
mate.
like?
Cup of tea.
Yeah.
You don't like it, you know?
No, it's not for me, sorry. No. Maybe I'm too sophisticated.
Sophisticated? You think you're sophisticated?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's not. He said it's not for me and finish.
Yeah, still carry on eating it, yeah.
Let's try.
Try another one.
Because I wanna make sure.
Go on then, out of 5 marker.
2.
4.
2 for respect.
Oh, you'll easy get that.
I can't see.
Oh, I wouldn't eat that, Ange. Oh, don't eat that. Oh.
I don't know.
You don't know what that is?
But it's not risotto, it's pasta with sauces.
Yeah, think of sauce.
Are we sure this is Italian?
I think it's definitely Italian in England, mate. If I had to pick a dish.
Okay, finish, yeah?
Carbonara.
Carbonara.
Carbonara, no? Penne carbonara.
Call things. Penne carbonara, you can put
What's that, mushroom?
mushroom.
Well, you don't put mushroom in it?
No.
You're sophisticated.
sophisticated.
Yeah, I see where you're coming from now. He's got a point.
Chris, how it looks.
Yeah, it looks dry, mate. Don't be scared, yeah.
I know what it is. It's Ukrainian names is vareniki. It's
Right, yeah? Yeah, he's got
It's
it.
like dumplings.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. See, that's a man who knows his country, mate.
Easy. No, that is.
No, it's not easy. That's similar, like.
No.
And you don't need a fork, it's a spoon.
It's a
Don't know.
spoon.
I don't even know what that is.
What's this? Minestrone?
Is it?
Sorry, I'm sophisticated. I'm Italian. It's the bad version of me. Sorry. Yeah, I knew it.
What? Is that even food? Do you know what it is, Yam?
No. I think I know what it is, but it's like
doesn't taste-
Angelo said, it's a bad version. It's borscht.
Is it? Angelo's gone for it.
What is?
I don't know.
That bread?
You gotta name the bread though, and what's the type of bread?
What's that? Bruschetta?
Keep tasting it, Ange.
Butter or that?
What's the type of bread?
Focaccia.
Is it garlic bread, no?
Focaccia.
Focaccia, I don't know what
Yeah,
that
but
is.
don't put the garlic.
You've picked a tough customer
Yeah.
here, haven't you? Oh, now we're talking, mate. That looks good.
Yeah, another version, Yarma, you understand.
Really, I don't know what it is. What is this?
Easter cake?
Ah, yeah.
But you have this yam like once on a special. Is that a special occasion? No, no.
Just on Easter.
Oh, just for Easter.
Yeah, just for the Easter.
Oh, I thought that was the name of the cake. Easter cake. Oh, never mind.
Oh, mamma mia, this is beautiful. You can eat a lot.
You know
Name Diruni.
Diruni?
Yes.
Okay, we have some
It's
more.
potato, I like.
This looks a little bit dry.
Like a pancake.
Just look
Sorry, Yama. Italy wins this one.
Ah.
Oh, what are they?
I want to try that.
You know what this is? No? You don't have this with melon, huh? Melon?
Yeah.
Sophisticated, aren't I? It's like not a sausage, like a...
Yeah, it's like small sausages, you know.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah!
That's nice, but it's like, you know what I mean? It's easy, innit?
It's bold.
That's different. That's good. Oh, that's tiramisu. Oh, this is, now we're talking. Like, this is...
I'll win,
This
100%.
is,
Yeah?
I do like tiramisu though.
Nice.
Yeah. Tiramisu's good.
The Yarma one is
In the middle.
Oh,
Ref, come on.
can I have it as a
Well
straw?
done.
Yeah?